Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at a portable neck fan by JISULIFE. Inside, it comes with the user manual and the USB-C charging cable. Briefly going over some specs of the neck fan. It has 78 wind outlets all around, 3 speeds for the motor. On speed 1, it can last 16 hours, speed 2, 9 hours, and speed 3 for 4 hours. And it comes with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. Taking a look at the neck fan, you can see it's very light, and you have the wind outlet holes all around. You have your right and left indicator in the front, and then looking at the bottom, you have the USB-C charging port and the status LED. On the back here, you have your power button, and you can switch the different speed modes, 1, 2, and 3. It weighs in at roughly 254 grams. Alright, so I'm outside right now testing out the neck fan. I have it on the low speed. Very quiet, you can still feel the airflow. Right now, it's about 85 degrees, 46% humidity, so it's pretty warm outside and humid. Definitely it helps. It's not too loud on the low speed. Alright, I have it on speed 2 right now. You can feel the airflow a little bit more. The button is pretty accessible right here, so you can just change the speed. I'm gonna move it over to speed 3 now. Alright. Not sure if you can hear the noise with the microphone, but it's not that bad. You can feel it now with speed 3 here. As far as comfort, you know, it's not that heavy. You barely know it's around your neck. And right now it's really helping out, you know. Like I said, it's about mid 80s right now and very humid. And this definitely helps. So I can definitely see this being used in the outdoors, indoors, you know, those hot summer days, or if you just want that extra breeze to cool you down. Okay, so that will do it for my review on the JISULIFE portable neck fan. The company does make other models which are a little bit higher priced, but this was on the lower price end. I included the link in the description below, so if you want a portable neck fan, go ahead and check it out.
If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.